the starting lead, girls 85cc, and to watch out for, we have on the leads. That is 420 Darlene Texon, 729 EJ Culotuero, bike 18 Jillian Mulo, bike 5 Rain Dado, bike 85 is Zyrah Paco. Once again, our girls 85cc getting ready on the starting gate for 2 laps of racing scheduled in their category. We are going to be set on 2 laps of racing for the girls 85cc right here for the first Abrenian Kawayan Motocross Championship at La Paz Solid North Raceway, Sitio Biti, San Gregorio, La Paz, Abra. Down to 5-second board. We are about to witness our girls 85cc as we have a gate drop right here. Looking good. We are going to see who's going to take the whole shot. We have on the corner. Here we have it. Once again, that is 729 EJ Culotuero for the whole shot. Bike 85 Zyrah Paco on second. Darlene Texon on third. Once again, EJ Culotuero, that is 729 from Guimaras Island. We also have on second position Zyrah Paco, bike 85 from JMS Honda Racing. Double jump for EJ Culotuero and Zyrah Paco. Here we go. This is scheduled for 2 laps of racing, and we have our top 2 still on a close battle with EJ Culotuero and Zyrah Paco. We are onto the roller section. Breaking away from the pack is 729 EJ Culotuero from Guimaras Island. On second position, that was Zyrah Paco, bike 85 from Orca Philippines Honda Racing. We also have here our third rider, 420 Darlene Texon from Negra Ultima, Quirino Province. Coming in on fourth position, we have bike number 18. That is Jillian Mulo from Rizal, Nueva Ecija. Bike 18, our fourth rider. Once again, on the sand section is EJ Culotuero. On the screen, we have with us 85, that is Zyrah Paco. We are back onto the race leader, coming into the last corner for our white flag. White flag, our last lap marker for 729 EJ Culotuero. Once again, that is 729 EJ Culotuero. Coming in on second, 85 is Zyrah Paco from Orca Philippines Honda Racing. Once again, Zyrah Paco on our second position lead for the girls 85cc. Back on our race leader, that was 729 EJ Culotuero, and now we have on the screen 85 Zyrah Paco. That is Zyrah Paco, bike 85 from Orca Philippines Honda Racing. That is once again our girls 85cc riders. On the roller section, we have 729 EJ Culotuero. Once again, EJ Culotuero, 729 exiting our roller section, our race leader for the girls 85cc. We also have here, once again, that is EJ Culotuero exiting. We also have bike 85, Zyrah Paco. Once again, bike 85 is Zyrah Paco. Bike 85, Zyrah Paco from Honda Racing. Our third rider exiting the roller section 420 is Darlene Texon from Negra Ultima, Quirino Province. Once again, we have on the screen to the sand section, that is 729 EJ Culot Oero. 729 is EJ Culot Oero. Once again, for our girls 5cc race leader, followed by bike number 85 from Honda Racing Philippines. Again, Honda Racing Orca Philippines 85 is Zyrah Paco, second position leader. Once again, onto the dinosaurs back, that is from Guimaras Island 729 EJ Culot Oero. Once again, EJ Culot Oero from Guimaras Island is our race leader, girls 85cc. On third position, exiting the second set of rollers onto the double section, we have here 420. On getting into our sand section is 420 Darlene Texon. On the rhythms exiting, we have 729 EJ Culot Oero, our race leader. Once again, for our girls 85cc, EJ Culot Oero. Onto the tabletop jump, onto the last corner, we have a checkered flag waving for EJ Culot Oero of Guimaras Island, girls 85cc race leader. On second position, we also have here with us checkered flag for bike 85, Orca Philippines and Honda Racing, Zyrah Paco. Bike 85 second position leader is Zyrah Paco.